All right, we've got the Dynasty 210, the new Dynasty 210 here, and a quick view of the kind of clean little case here. A couple things that are really slick about this is just the operating part of it. So I was on DC TIG, and you can see your adjustable wheel here bumps you up. Click on AC TIG, high frequency start versus lift arc start, all the way down to AC stick and DC stick. And once you click on that, you can go over and set your trigger. If you're running a foot pedal, fingertip, push button standard, push button hold, 4T, all that stuff. You can go into your pulse menu, pulsar on or off. So you can click on that, turn your pulsar on, turn your pulsar off. Let's just say we're going to be on. Pulses per second. It has a pro set, and it tells you why. It says 1 to 10 pulses per second produces a distinct ripple pattern, and to time filler, and then your 100 plus pulses per second helps focus the arc, increase arc stability and travel speed. So it's kind of nice to give you a little example there of what's going on. You can go down into your advanced features and turn on your backgrounds and mess with that kind of stuff also. Go over to your AC waveform. You've got up here your hertz, your balance, all adjustable of course. And again, it got a pro set option, which is saying 120. We can fine tune that either direction, increase for more focused narrow arc cone, and decrease to soften and widen the arc cone. So again, it's kind of nice to give you a background of what you're adjusting and why it's doing it. Again, you can do your square or your soft squares, your sines, all the waves you're used to messing around with there. And again, pro set on those as well. So it's giving you what it's saying it should start with. It's suggesting soft square. Over to your advanced AC, and this is where you'd get into some more of your repair type stuff, or even just wanting to really jack with your AC balance, I guess you would say, so that you give independent control. So again, enables the feature to allow access to independent amperage, independent waveform, and communication controls. So that opens up the ability to set some more features, and let's set that to that, and then that opens up everything below it here. So electrode negative waveform, electrode positive, EN amperage, EP amperage, and your communication. And your communication is for a more aggressive, focused, and more audible arc. So this is kind of a new thing. They never had this before. And then this provides a less aggressive, softer, less audible arc. So you can mess with that in your advanced features there to get everything going. On over to your tungsten. And again, you click that button on there. It's saying, hey, we don't want green. We are no longer a transformer-based machine, so green is not really that common anymore. Grays, blues, golds is giving you the option for those. Your pro sets here, it's guessing you're gonna be at 3/32, but you can adjust that up to 1/8. There is a general setting, and all the way down to 0.020. So you can hit the home button, go back, it's showing you everything that you've selected, and kind of gives you a quick example of how all that stuff is going to go. USB updatable, just like most of the stuff. It does have your 14-pin connector here for running either wireless Bluetooth and or wired foot pedal. A lot of the larger Miller equipment get into that 14-pin connector so that you can have the ability to accessorize. So there's really just a ton of updates on this versus the old 210, and you know, you don't see the DX on here like I'm used to seeing on a 210 DX before, but this is just the Dynasty 210 auto line. Part number is the 907816, and yeah, it's a nice little machine here. Air cooled on this one. You can get a water cool option as well, but nice stick TIG. So